The production of armed effector T cells. In order to be activated, a naive T cell must recognize a foreign peptide bound to a self-MHC molecule. But this is not on its own sufficient for activation. That requires the simultaneous delivery of a co-stimulatory signal by a specialized antigen-presenting cell. Only dendritic cells, macrophages, and B cells are able to express both classes of MHC molecule as well as the co-stimulatory cell surface molecules that drive the clonal expansion of naive T cells and their differentiation into armed effector T cells. The most potent activators of naive T cells are mature dendritic cells, and these are thought to initiate most, perhaps all, T cell responses in vivo. Immature dendritic cells in the tissues take up antigen at sites of infection and are activated to travel to local lymphoid tissue. Here they mature into cells that express high levels of co-stimulatory molecules and the adhesion molecules that mediate interactions with the naive T cells continually recirculating through these tissues. The activation and clonal expansion of a naive T cell on an initial encounter with antigen on the surface of an antigen-presenting cell is often called priming, to distinguish it from the responses of armed effector T cells to antigen on their target cells and the responses of primed memory T cells. And that's the production of armed effector T cells. Have a great day.